What is bank level trading? The BLT is a very advanced SMC strategy, but it's a very simplified SMC strategy. It filters out low probability SMC levels using a pattern refinement technique with Elliott waves. And the reason this is so powerful is because you're catching really high probability trades. You're filtering out a lot of low probability order blocks that a lot of other SMC traders trade. The beauty with the BLT, we are increasing the win rate whilst maintaining the risk reward. We also have a community of BLT1 traders and it's completely free of charge. So the moment you become a BLT trader, you've got access to the free community forever. So you can post charts, learn from others, get feedback from experienced BLT traders, and essentially just grow as a big unit. I'm expecting a potential bounce from either this level and a close back inside the pattern, continuation, and a rally to the upside. And at the same time, there is lots of momentum to the downside. This is why it's important now to separate the patterns and focus on what's relevant. Okay, dollar yen, we've got the double bottom, we've got momentum to the upside, and now I'm expecting a stop hunt. Okay, Euro USD, again, we've been forecasting this for a while. Look how big this compression is. It outweighs the main move in the middle. Kiwi CAD, again, 1, 2, and some liquidity here to the left. This is all momentum. The only compression is literally just here and this tiny piece of information. So this is telling me that price is likely to breach the top of this pattern.